This is the Bose SoundLink Micro, which has been just revealed and launched in India at 8990 or 9000 rupees practically. This is one of the most affordable Bluetooth speakers that you can get from Bose. It's quite compact in size, as you can see. It fits in the palm of my hand very easily, but still quite powerful when it comes to bass. It's very rich in sound. It has digital signal processing technology from Bose, and it has a unique design element, this strap. So you can just latch it onto a bag or a bike, just like this, and it comes in attractive colors. It has 6 hours of playback time on a full charge, and it does look quite good. It sounds quite good as well. If you want to buy one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below. I'm very impressed with this. And before I end this, it also is ruggedized, waterproof, IPX4. So if you drop it in water, it can sustain that. If you drop water on it, it can sustain that for up to 30 minutes, 1 meter depth. So it's quite a good speaker if you're looking for a good compact budget speaker, and you can pair 2 of these using the app and play it in real stereo. That's all on this video. If you enjoyed watching this quick hands-on, give us a thumbs up. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.